Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to make these two lovely froggy cookies, or it can also be froggy ice cream or froggy macaron, but no matter what, they are so adorable. You must try this pattern, and let's get started. And these are the materials that you need. You will need a J hook, 6mm crochet hook, and also a stitch marker, pair of scissors, and you will need a pair of 10mm eyes, some black yarn, and also some blanket yarn. The yarn I'm using today are from Bernat Baby Blanket. This is Little Leaf, and another one is also from Bernat Blanket. This one is Whipped Cream. And this is not sponsored, but this is just the yarn I'm using. And of course, you will need your needles right there. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we're going to make a magic ring, and you will make 12 half double crochet in the ring. First of all, that's chain 2. And then let's make 1 half double crochet first, because you're going to mark it. Mark your first half double crochet and make another 11 half double crochet in the loop, total of 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and pull to close the loop like this. So now at round 1 you have 12 half double crochet in the magic ring. In round 2 we are going to make a single crochet increase in the first stitch. Don't forget to mark it. Let's make us increase first. This is 1 single crochet increase. Mark your first single crochet like that, and then we're going to make 1 half double crochet increase, and then the next one we're going to make another single crochet increase. Okay, next we're going to make 4 single crochet straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next one, let's make a single crochet increase. 1, 2. And then half double crochet increase. 1, 2. Then in the next 3 stitches, we're going to make 3 single crochet increase. 1 increase in each stitch. 1 single crochet increase, 2 single crochet increase, and 3 single crochet increase. At the end of round 2, you will have a total of 20 stitches. And now we're going to round 3. In round 3, we're going to make 1 single crochet first. Don't forget to mark it. And in the next stitch, we're going to make a half double crochet. And in the next one, we're going to make a half double crochet increase. So 1, 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. In the next one, we're going to make a double crochet increase. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Next one, half double crochet. Next one, single crochet, and then slip stitch the next. In this stitch, we're going to make 4 stitches in there, which is 1 half double crochet and 2 double crochet, and then one more half double crochet. This part is the froggy's eyes, and in the next stitch we're going to make 4 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we're going to make another eye. Repeat the pattern, make 1 half double crochet and 2 double crochet, and then 1 more half double crochet into the same stitch, and you slip stitch the next, make 1 more single crochet, and then 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 1, 2, and then make a half double crochet increase, 1, 2, and then make a half double crochet again, and single crochet the last. Okay. In your first piece, please leave a very long tail because we're going to use it to sew. So you can repeat the same pattern and make the middle part, the ice cream part or the stuffing part like this, and then make another piece for the bottom. And now I'm going to show you how to make an even fasten. And now I'm going to show you how to make a clean and even fasten off like this from this. This is your last stitch of this round. You want to skip the next stitch and insert to the next one. Now insert the needle back into the last stitch in the back loop, and then insert to the back loop of the stitch you just skip, and then pull. And now you just made your very clean and even finish off. Just like that. Very easy, right? Now you can just insert back the tail like that to kind of hide it, and just cut it. Now we can pile them up all together like that. Oh, we forgot to do this one. And now do the same with the first piece you made with a longer tail. Let's do it again. Let's make that clean and even fasten off. This is the last stitch of this round. Skip 1 stitch and then insert to the next one. And now insert back to the last stitch at the back loop. Insert into the back loop of the stitch you just skipped. And then pull. Now you create that clean finish off. We are going to sew these 3 pieces together. Use this long tail and make sure they're all even. Fold it nicely like this and then sew through all 3 pieces together. Just go ahead to sew through the edge. As to the eyes, you can edit now or edit later. I prefer to edit later with my hot glue gun. But if you want to edit now, you can. If you don't have the hot glue gun, you can use the safety eyes backing to kind of insert the eyes now, because I'm pretty sure you know where to insert the eyes. Simply just insert it right here, roughly. Oh, this is so satisfying, just sewing like that. Now I'm all done. Just simply tie a knot and hide it back to the doll itself, like that. Voila, like that. And now I'm going to add eyes and a smile to my Froggy. And now I'm going to take my 10mm eyes for my little Froggies. Need 2 of them. Okay, you can either add eyes now or just add it before you sew the 3 parts together. So I like to do it this way because it's kind of too difficult for me to add a backing because it's a little bit thick. But if you're using a thinner yarn, it might be easier. And this is where I'm going to put my eyes at. I'm going to add the hot glue. Use a hot glue gun to add that glue in there. That. Oops. Now I'm going to add a happy, and now I'm going to add a facial expression to it. I'm thinking of angry one, so let's do an angry Froggy. Okay, it's all done, looking good. And now I'm going to add a facial expression to the Froggy. I'm thinking about making an angry one. So let's make an angry Froggy here. Oops. Let's make an angry Froggy of this one. Whoa. Looking good. Okay. You just tie a knot. Tie a knot to hide it. Hide it back to the body. Tie it back to the body, and you're all done. Here we go, we're all done. So if you like today's tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more. And if following the tutorial is not your thing, you can also find this crochet pattern in my pattern store in the PDF form for you to download. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial.